Roads are exposed to constant wear and changing weather conditions. Through time, this can lead to serious road surface damage and to road traffic hazards. Surface treatment renews the wear layer and seals the road. This prevents major damage to the road caused by moisture penetration and guarantees grip by improving its strength and macrotexture. Surface treatment paves the way for new roads and is a cost-effective method of repairing existing agricultural and rural roads. The road can be opened for traffic again immediately as soon as the work is finished. We are always delighted to provide you with expert advice and support from the smallest selective surface maintenance measures to full-scale surface coating projects.